Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Egypt, ang 10 millimes coins of Egypt na mayroon taon na 1972. Share ko sa inyo guys ang kanyang napakagandang historical information at saka yung value. The 1972 Egyptian 10 millimes coins holds both historical and significance value. Historical context: issued during the early years of President Anwar Sadat's Tihor. These coins reflect the Egypt's political landscape in the 1970s. The obverse features the hook of Kores, symbolizing the Federation of Arab Republics, a short-lived political union between Egypt, Syria, and Libya from 1972 to 1977. The reverse displays the denomination and the year of issue in both Gregorian 1972 and Hijri 1392 calendars. Specification: composition 95% of aluminum, 5% of magnesium. Weight 1.76 gram, diameter 23 mm, shape round, edge inscribed with Arabic letters with two known varieties, Jim, Mim, Ain, and Jim, Ain, Mim. Mintage and rarity: approximately 20 million units of these coins were minted. Despite this substantial mintage, the coin is considered common among collectors. An Amista Rarity Index of 9, indicating high availability. Current value: the coin's value varies based on its condition. Verified $0.52 US, extra fine $0.83 US, and the uncirculated condition $1.90 US. These values are approximate and can fluctuate based on the market demands and collectors' interest. Collectability: while not rare, the 1972 10 millimes coin is a tangible piece of Egypt numismatics history, appealing to collectors interested in Middle Eastern coinage or those focusing on the Federation of Arab Republics or Republics era. For more precise valuation, consulting with a numismatic expert or reputable coin dealer is recommended, as they can provide insight tailored to the coin's specific condition and current market trends. So yun guys ang kanyang napakagandang informasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Egypt, ang 10 millimes coins of Egypt. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.